This would be a knee or a foot. I don't know if you can see how high it sticks out. Daddy went outside, that's why you lost him. He'll be back. Flipping around quite a bit. Could be born any time. Creepy, isn't it? Ouch. That big knee or foot moving around. Whoa, I scared her. Her back is over here, or was over there. Don't know where it is now. Chasing her around a little bit. Or him. Don't know, really. Just a couple of shifts, and it's going to be fun to watch the response from a bad performance last night. Knowing these games are important for seeding and also to get ready for playoff hockey. The excitement of the game now is going to take a back seat and really focus on moving ahead. And now he's going to obviously, he's going to lean heavily on the fact that I gave him 2 days extra, guys, and you did positively. And there's no doubt there's going to be a lot of message said, at least in that pre-game speech. What about the execution of that? Carlisle's the best for this one. They're in trouble. They have to tighten up. The baby plays. You can poke at it and it will poke back.
Mommy, those are sticky stuff.
I don't know what Abby's going on about.
Mommy, I found my own deer. I found my own deer. I found my own deer. I found my own animal.
The article got 17 mentions, 35 comments, and 86 people like it. What about you? Do you like it? Oh yeah. I should probably taste it.
He kicks back.
Mommy.
The baby can actually push my belly out quite a bit. It's kind of creepy weird.
We had a good chat. I told him if he come near my house, I was going to kill him.
I'm going to break it.
You got your buckets. What's a bucket for?
Hubby was talking about a crow, by the way. It's attacking our window. Well, I guess that's it for now.